Students, today we are going to start our new chapter. We save water. We all need water to live. We should drink plenty of water every day. Water keeps us healthy and we can't survive without water. We know that rain is the main source of water. Have you thought how we get this rain? Water evaporates from the earth in the form of water vapors to form clouds. Then it falls on the earth in the form of rain. This rainwater goes back into oceans, seas, rivers, and ponds. It goes up again as water vapor and forms clouds. This cycle continues, and this process is known as water cycle. Sometimes we face a shortage of drinking water, especially in summers. Because of we have less rains, this causes water problems. We cut down forests, that causes shortage of rainfall. During summer, many ponds dry up. People living in villages have to walk a very long distance to fetch water. In summer, water is in short supply in many towns and cities. This shortage make our life difficult. Hence, we must learn to save as much as water possible. And how we can save it? Let's see. Water is very precious. We should not waste it. We should uh, avoid some our activities to save water. Avoid leaving the tap running while brushing teeth or washing hands. Avoid watering plants with the pipe. It wastes a lots of water. Instead, you can use bucket and a mug. We should take as much as water in our glass as we can drink. We should not waste even a single drop of water. We should use a bucket and a mug while bathing. We must avoid using a shower. We should close the tap tightly after using it. And we should avoid cleaning utensils and washing clothes under a running tap. We should mend leaking pipelines immediately. Water must never spill out of buckets or other containers. We must close our tap when the container is full. We must collect and store as much rainwater as possible. We can collect rainwater in buckets, drums, tanks, and many more containers. And after that, we can reuse this water for the gardening, for watering the plants, and many more purposes. We can reuse water if needed. Water is usually reused when there is a shortage of water. We can reuse water by following these means. Water used for washing fruits and vegetables can be collected and reused for watering the plants. Water used for washing clothes can be collected and reused for mopping the floor. Water used for washing the face and hands can be used in the toilet. Water is very precious. We must not waste it. Our rivers are being polluted with toxic wastes from the local factories and the wastes from our homes. We must stop polluting our rivers. Save water as much as you can. Thank you.